Assalamualaikum Tayyab fans, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be a bit different from what we usually do. So I am going to be playing a game of balloon TDS. So the first strategy I like to use is to always win. I send good luck and thumbs up to lower down their guard, to think that I'm too kind for them. The beginning of this video is going to be very slow, but I promise it's going to get very, very interesting at the end. Comment down below if you guys think I'm going to win, and if I win this game, you guys have to subscribe. Let's begin. I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks. So the best hero in my opinion is Quincy, the beginner hero that you get. See, now they're sending emotes back. You want to maximize the radius of your hero or all of your troops. So in this case, if I had added him here, he would have been blocked by the skull and I wouldn't have gotten the extra range. You have to avoid upgrading him, especially in the beginning. Now during the time which I have slow income, I like to take my time and get the wizard's ability of shimmer, because you never know when your opponent is going to send the camo balloons and you might need that ability. So this is my team right here: Cannon, Quincy, Cannon, Druid and Wizard. The Druid is going to play a very important role at the end, you're going to see. So at round almost 4, you need to start sending pink balloons, and make sure your defenses are strong enough to withstand your opponent's retaliation to it. I'm going to send a few more white ones, just to make him panic or them panic. You want to avoid clearing obstacles when you have very low income. Once you get to a higher income stage, you can start upgrading or removing the obstacles. Unless the obstacles are very obstructive, you can remove them. Otherwise, save your money for something better. Now the Druid is going to be very, very important for us. Let me show you. I'm going to just put one down, and slowly you're going to see its importance. So what the Druid does is this ability of his, Jungle's Bounty. What it does is that it generates 1,000, yes, you heard me correctly, 1,000 coins every time you use his ability. And that means if you save enough if you save up enough money for one of them, you can eventually buy the second one, and then the third one, and then so on and so forth. I like to put almost 4 on this map here, because there's not enough space to put all of them. Another very useful ability of his is that even balloons out of his range, he can grab them and kill them easily. Okay, now we are closing in on the 2,800 mark. You see, I'll show you. If a balloon escapes even beyond his range, he's still going to be able to kill it. You see that? Look at that. He's going to die right now. Oh, never mind. Oh, I didn't even realize. Now we have the Jungle's Bounty. Once this cooldown wears off, I can generate 1,000 coins from it. Here we go. We got 1,000 just like that. Sure, yes, I realize druid monkeys attacking is very slow, but it is very useful. So this is where the boring part starts to come in. Nothing exciting is gonna happen, so I'm going to skip to the good part. You can see here now my opponent is losing. Oh, he wait. Yes, we got first blood. So in the time, so I skipped a bit. You can see here now I have 2 druids, and they both are max now. I have unlocked the mob assassin. Basically, what the wizard monkey does, once you upgrade the bottom area, the last upgrade, he will show any invisible balloons to other defenses or other towers. In this case, the bomb shooter that I have, he can't really see invisible balloons unless the wizard monkey reveals them. 1,000, 2,000. So now I'm thinking that I get another wizard right here. My opponent is losing. There's one way to put it. Well, not really losing, but I think he's in distress. He might even quit. I hope not. I really want to make this video entertaining for you guys. You can see I don't really use any water related troops, and in hopes that I don't really get, because I don't really like the water troops. Okay, I think it's time that we get another druid here. And that's 1, 2. I have. So my favorite ability is Summon Phoenix. It's a really cool. It has a really cool animation, and I really like it. So what it basically does, it spawns a Phoenix. So this is what I was trying to tell you guys. Avoid this mistake what my opponent is making. He's putting all of the defenses in one area. He's limiting his troops' abilities, or not really troops, but monkeys. He's congesting them all in one place. It's not really a good move, because you can see here this mob is not being attacked. So if this was let's send a heart balloon, because the heart balloon can regrow. Never mind, his defenses are too strong. You can see here he can't really damage the balloons on this side of the track. Neither can I, but I can to some extent, I think. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. And should I? I think I should get the Phoenix. So now I have all of these abilities. The druid monkeys are doing their level best. I think I should get one more cannon right about here. I should have gotten it sooner. Towards the end might be good. It's 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. That's the mob assassin unlocked. So yeah, that's basically the strategy. Just keep upgrading, and if I want, I can just end the game here by sending the black and white balloons. But I really want to see what my opponent has up his sleeve, or maybe if I might win. Remember, guys, if I win, you guys have to subscribe. I think I should add maybe another druid. Oh, this is where the panic kicks in. Please, 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 please. Yes. Okay, I think I was able to handle that pretty well. I think I should do, yeah, Dragon's Breath and then another Phoenix. And there go a few, and I win. Remember, guys, you guys have to subscribe. You have to be a good sport in this game and appreciate your opponent's efforts. And that's how you win. Remember, guys, you have to subscribe. And I'm going to leave a link in the pinned comment to a video that I recently uploaded. We really need names for 4 new kittens that our cat gave birth to, and we can't wait to hear you guys' response. Jazakallah khair for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video, inshallah.